Okay, I'm a network engineer. I'm charged of designing the network infrastructure of Dublin Pharmaceutical Limited. This project is by Darlington Osarajan Imade. The overview of this project: Dublin Pharmaceutical Limited are expanding their sales and research. They are in partnership with another pharmaceutical company which is based in Dockland. As you can see, this is a brief picture of it. This is the partner building. This is the main building of Dublin Pharmaceutical Limited. It has in total of 1,000 employees. That's the employee that's located in the main building, and they are divided into 300 users in research and development. The manufacturing has 550 users, and sales marketing has 300 users. Has three 300 users. As you can see, these users will be subdivided into 6 floors. So the sixth floor, one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. Project requirements. The project requirements. It is required that everything should be open source. None should be proprietary source. Everything should be open source, free software. It should be highly scalable. It means our design should include the ability to add more users to the system. It should also be highly available, and there should be fault tolerance. Fault tolerance. There should be high security. That is, attackers should not just come into the system and attack our files. That's why we need to separate. Um, that's why we need to separate the each of the departments into their separate VLANs, and we should place the file that will be accessed by the partners in a demilitarized zone. That's what I want to do. They'll be in a demilitarized zone. So there should also be integrity. All the files and everything should be original. As you can see, this project is going to cover the physical and the logical design. The logical design has to do with the subnetting, the IP address, how it's going to communicate with each other, and we're going to use IP version 4. This IP address, that's what we're going to use, the IP version 4. Um, we have the visual bus. The visual bus, that's where we do all the settings for the firewalls. That's where we run our Ubuntu server, because I'm going to use Ubuntu server, which is going to be open source. This is the packet tracer. The packet tracer is the place where I'm going to do. The packet tracer is the place where I'm going to configure all my PCs, my subnet mask. That's where I'm going to configure and run the simulations, all the simulations. Then we are going to use the OS, OSI model for the network layer. So we have the physical layer. We have 7 layers from the physical layer, data link, network link, transport link. Everything is going to be there. Then we're going to use Linux. The Linux we're going to use is going to be Ubuntu server. Ubuntu server. Then we have firewall to protect and filter traffic that is coming in and shut down the ones that we don't need. Yeah, what I'm going to do next week, I'm going to continue working on my on my Gantt chart. That's what I'm going to continue to do next week. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's my next plan. Following my Gantt chart, strictly my Gantt chart.